Welcome to Technoland Expert. A business functionality standpoint, this template is optimized for sales growth and customer engagement. The emphasis on deals in the Hero section indicates support for dynamic promotions and discount banners, which can be linked with back-end marketing systems to auto-update based on campaigns. Featured product sections encourage upselling and cross-selling, while blogs enhance organic reach and SEO performance. Category blocks improve discoverability, especially for first-time users who might be overwhelmed by large inventories, while badges like Hot or Sale create urgency and highlight limited-time offers. Together, these functionalities create a comprehensive funnel from awareness to purchase. Visitors first encounter aspirational imagery and promotional banners, then explore categories, view product cards with prices, add items to cart or wish list, read supporting blogs for reassurance, and finally check out seamlessly. Technically, such a template is likely built using a combination of HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and backend frameworks. CSS Grid and Flexbox would handle the responsive product layouts. JavaScript would power interactivity like carousels, drop-downs, and smooth scrolling, while backend systems manage inventory, user accounts, checkout, and order processing. Integration with analytics and tracking systems would allow businesses to monitor conversions, clicks, heat maps, and abandoned carts, enabling data-driven improvements. Security features like SSL, secure payment gateways, and account protections are implicit in modern e-commerce design, while scalability ensures that whether the business sells 10 or 10,000 products, the template can handle it with proper CMS integration. SEO best practices are embedded through clean code structure, meta tags, alt attributes for images, and blog support, which improve visibility on Google searches. Moreover, the template supports marketing integrations, such as newsletter pop-ups, social media linking, and promotional banners, crucial for building a loyal customer base and repeat traffic. In conclusion, this plant and flower e-commerce template is a highly polished, feature-rich, and conversion-focused design, created with the dual goal of aesthetics and performance, making it ideal not only for online nurseries and plant stores but also adaptable for any lifestyle or decor-oriented business. Its strengths lie in the clean design that foregrounds product images, the intuitive navigation and category structure that simplify exploration, the promotional flexibility through banners and badges, the complete e-commerce functionalities with cart, wishlist, account, and search, the responsiveness for all devices, and the content-driven approach with integrated blogs. Combined, these elements create an ecosystem where users feel inspired, informed, and empowered to shop, while businesses gain tools to manage products, run promotions, and grow revenue. Thanks for watching.